Hey everyone, ready to explore IPTV Smarters Pro today? Before we begin, visit 2tv.store for amazing subscriptions. Explore our free trial option for a seamless experience. Let's get started by downloading IPTV Smarters Pro. Open your Google Play Store and search for the app. Find the IPTV Smarters Pro app in the search results. Now, click on the Install button to begin downloading. Wait a moment while the app installs on your device. Once installed, you can open the app right away. You will see the app welcome screen upon opening. Now, let's configure the app with your login credentials. Enter your username and password provided by 2tv.store. After filling in credentials, tap on Login to continue. Once logged in, you'll see your channel listings appear. Scroll through the channels to find what you want. Select any channel to start enjoying your favorite shows. Remember, enjoy all features with your subscription at 2tv.store. Ensure your internet connection is strong for smooth streaming. That's it. You're all set to start watching now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.